In this lecture, we are going to do one of the important thing, that is cleaning our links. And this is important because when we start with the user dashboard, we will be using the same nav bar, same footer, and all the functionalities will be very similar. So again and again, we don't have to create separate file. Whatever code we are already having, that exact code we can also include in user files. So it is important we clean the links and make the links as absolute URL path. Okay, very important lecture. I will open navbar.php. Why it is important? Because later on in root, I will be creating user folder. In user folder, I will be using profile page, and in profile page, if I use this navbar, you can see in my root, I am having these files. And when I click on this, in that folder, these files will not be present. So I will be having file not found. So that is the reason I will be making absolute path. Scroll up. Okay, carefully notice. I will be starting PHP, and below this I'm just going to close PHP. I will create one variable name. I will write project folder. Project folder is equal to, for your project, whatever folder name you have given, exact same folder name you have to pass. My folder name is Gleam Creates. Okay, I am having space. If you have passed underscore, if you have passed hyphen, accordingly you have to pass. My folder name is Gleam Creates. I'm just going to pass Gleam Creates. Once I'm just going to include my connect file. So here I will write include once. Inside this, I will be passing connect.php. Then below this, I have to access my common functions file. Why? Because inside this common functions, we are having, or we have written all the functions for getting the product, getting unique categories, getting occasions. So that is the reason we have to make path of the file as absolute. Create one variable. Variable name, I will be writing common functions path is equal to, from this server. Okay, let me write. What I will do, I'm just going to access document root. Okay, in capital, you have to write document underscore root. And what it will be doing, it is just going to give root folder of our web server. After that, I will be adding this slash. Okay, we are just going to concatenate whatever project folder I am having, that I'm just going to pass. And after my project folder, I will come inside my functions folder. I will come inside functions folder. Inside that functions, I will be going inside common functions.php. Let me just pass here single quotes. But now the problem is, here while passing this absolute part, I am coming inside the functions folder. Inside that functions, I am having common functions.php. But in our project, inside includes folder, we are having this file. So what I will do, in root, I will be creating one folder functions. Move this common functions to functions. Click on move. Okay, once it is done, open index.php. In place of includes, you have to use functions folder. Copy the same thing. Come to product details. Here I will be pasting. Come to display all. Here I will be pasting. Okay, only in 3 files we have to change the path. So what I have done, I have accessed my project folder name. Then I have accessed my web server root path, project folder, and then I'm just giving path of my common functions file. Below this, I will be checking if this particular file exists. Here let me write file exists. If this file is existing, what I will do, I'm just going to include the file once. Copy, include once, copy and paste. Inside this, I'm just going to copy this entire path, and here I will be pasting. So if this file is existing, then once I'm just going to include our common functions file. Why I am not passing this file name? Because I am creating absolute path for this file so that I can use the same code for user. Else, I will write error log, and inside this I will be passing critical error. This common function dot php not found. You can also pass this at concatenate, give one space, and then I will be passing this complete path. Okay, in this particular path, this file is not existing. So from here, successfully we have accessed the path. If it is existing, then we are including one. If it is not existing, we are telling this common functions is not present inside the path. Below this, I will also create one variable base URL is equal to whatever file name I am having. I will copy. This is my project folder, but here I'm just going to create the base URL. I will be putting as global. Instead of single quotes, let me write double quotes. Okay, why this is important? Dynamically, if we are generating our absolute link, then base URL is important. So here I will be checking for the condition. If our base URL is not set, if our base URL is not set, then whatever value I have given here, that will be assigned to base URL. So in this way, this project folder, we are just going to assign to this base URL. And always be careful, whatever project name you have given, exact same name I am passing as the base URL. Then create one function. Function name, I will write get absolute link. And inside this first thing, I will be passing path. Okay, these are the parameters. And second, I will be passing my base URL. Whatever path I give, okay, here you can see we are passing index.php. So this is the path which we are going to give here. And base URL is the project folder which we have assigned. Below this, we will be doing some cleaning. So here I will write clean path is equal to ltrim. What this ltrim will be doing, if you are having any dot or if you are having any slash, it is just going to remove. I will be passing my path, and what I have to remove, I simply have to remove this dot slash. Okay, in this way, if you are having anything in the path, it is simply going to trim that. And finally, from this function, I'm just going to return this rtrim. Then I will be passing my base URL. Copy this base URL. Here I will paste. From this base URL, if you are having slash, it is simply going to remove that slash. Again concatenate with this slash. And after that, what we have to do, we have to pass our clean path. What is our base URL? Our base URL is this one. And after that, I have not added any slash. If I would have added, then using this, we are cleaning. And after cleaning, we are adding slash and we are passing this clean path. Example, Gleam creates. Okay, let me write in short. Gleam creates is my base URL. After this, I am not having any slash. If I am having using rtrim, I am just going to clean. After that, I am adding this slash, and after that, I am adding clean path. So inside the path, I can have index.php, index.php, and after this, if I am having any slash or if I am having any dot like this, so it is simply going to clean, and my final result will be gleam create slash index.php. So this function is going to return absolute path. We have created project folder variable, and for this we are assigning our project folder name. Then once we are including our connect file, and after that we are taking root of our web server. We have added our project folder. Okay, in this way we are concatenating, and after that we have passed path of our common functions.php. And as I mentioned, why this is important, later on in another folder, we will be creating user profile. So in that file also, we can include the same navbar. Then if the file is existing, only once we are including. If the file is not existing, we are going to throw the error. Then we have created the base URL, and accordingly, we are generating absolute link. Let me come to project, refresh once. Okay, on line 20, we are having error. Let me scroll up. Here I will be passing semicolon. Save this, refresh once. Now if I click on this logo, you can see I am redirected to index.php. But now what I will do, we are already generating this absolute link. In place of passing like this, let me remove. Here I will be writing PHP, and then I'm just going to close PHP. I will write here echo, I will call this function get absolute link. Inside this, I have to pass two arguments. First is the path. When I click on this, where I should redirect, I should be redirected to index.php. And second, I have to pass the base URL. Okay, what is our base URL? Our base URL is nothing but our project folder name. Project folder, then we will have slash, and after that, we are going to have this cleaned path. Here I will be passing this base URL. Now again refresh, come to products. Again I will click on this logo. You can see successfully I am redirected to index.php. For example, if I am having slash here, come to products, click on this home. You can see after index.php, I am not having slash. Why? Because we are already cleaning here. Next toggle button, no changes. Here we are having index.php. Same thing, I'm going to copy, and inside this I'm just going to paste. Then here remove. First let me copy. Here I will be pasting. In place of index.php, now I should be passing display all.php. My account we will change later. This registration also we are going to change later. Login later. Login, logout, register, my account card, entire thing we will see when we start with user dashboard. Now same file I can also use for user. I do not have to create separate file. Why? Because successfully we have cleaned the links and we are having the output.